Imagine King Starmer saying Kemi is desperate in search of relevance. Ash. Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. On this channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. On this channel, I also do reaction videos. So if this content sounds like what you will be interested in, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, in today's video, I'm talking about the latest trending topic or the trending video that's all over the social media. For those of you who are current, you must have seen it, but for those of you that are not current, obviously I am here to give you guys the gist and to share with you all what is happening here in the UK. You all know Auntie Kemi. She has been trending, especially when she said that before you can get your indefinite leave to remain in the UK, you must have lived in the UK for 10 years. So many persons were like, what is wrong with this woman? What is wrong with this woman? Anyway, before I talk about the clash Kemi and King Starmer have been having lately, you guys need to watch this clip. Just like I said, this is not the first clash she's having with King Starmer. Anyways, watch this clip and see what happened.
Over the weekend, I suggested to the Prime Minister that he cut the aid budget, and I'm pleased that he accepted my advice. Mr. Speaker, it's the fastest response. It's the fastest response I've ever had from the Prime Minister. However, he announced £13.4 billion in additional defence spending yesterday. This morning, his Defence Secretary said the uplift is only £6 billion, which is the correct figure.
Prime Minister.
I'm going to have to let the Leader of the Opposition down gently. She didn't feature in my thinking at all. I was so busy over the weekend I didn't even see her proposal. I think she's appointed herself, I think, saviour of the Western civilization. It's a desperate search for relevance. But, Mr. Speaker, look, if you take the numbers for this financial year and then the numbers for the financial year 27-28, that's £13.4 billion increase. That is the largest sustained increase in defence spending since the Cold War, which will put us in a position to ensure the security and defence of our country and of Europe.
So King Starmer and Kemi Badenoch clash over defensive spending. Before this clash, they had a clash in the past. For those of you that don't know about the previous clash before this recent one that is circulating all over the social media. So in January, King Starmer and Kemi Badenoch clash over a grooming gang in Stormy. So this is not their first clash, but then this particular one is trending everywhere. And some persons are saying like Kemi needs to chill, Kemi needs to relax, you know, that kind of a thing. Anyway, I have an article here with me that explained what happened and why, you know, I don't know if I should say you're kind of laughing at her or who is laughing at who. I can't imagine King Starmer telling her she's been desperate. God. On this article, it says, Conservative leader Kemi Badenoch has challenged Sir King Starmer over the hike in defence spending. After PM said rise amounted to £13.4 billion, the MP announced the UK will allocate aid fund to boost military spending to 2.5% of GPD by 2027, following President Trump's demand that all European allies increase their defensive contribution. The decision comes after Sir King Starmer flies to US for talks with Trump in the White House to discuss the war in Ukraine. Later, Badenoch questioned Sir King Starmer over the exact amount which Defense Secretary John Heller said could be calculated as £6 billion when inflation was taken into account, and whether the Chagos deal will be funded from it. He went further saying, at the Prime Minister question, Badenoch asked whether any of this new funding will be going towards the multi-billion pounds Chago deals twice. The UK plans to hand over the territory to Mauritius, but under the terms of the deal, the UK will continue to lease one of the island Diego Garcia, which contained a UK and US military airbase, for a period of 99 years. The PM responded saying that the increase in defense spending that was announced on Tuesday was for our capability on defense and security in Europe. adding the Chagos deal extremely important for our community and for the US security. Badenoch focused on her question to the Prime Minister on which figure for the defense rise. His initial 13.4 billion or 6 billion, which Hela said was the increase in real term, was correct. Starmer responded, if you take the numbers for this financial year and then the numbers for the financial year 2027 to 2028, that it is a 13.4 billion increase. So from this article here, it says, Kemi focused on asking Prime Minister Starmer. So to some extent, maybe the Prime Minister feel like, this lady is trying to challenge me, you know. She keep asking him the same question again, even after responding to her the first time. He says again, she focused on her question to Prime Minister. That's what it says on this article. So I think that is why Starmer made that statement. He says she's so desperate. So I think she needs to cool down, because I think they're beginning to notice her desperation, to be honest, because I mean, she's doing a little bit too much. Auntie, you need to chill. You need to chill. I know politics is politics, but she's doing a little bit too much. Anyway, went what I'm saying here, that is the largest sustained increase in defense spending since the Cold War, which will put us in a position to ensure that the security and defense of our country and Europe. It went further saying, Badenoch pressed him again, saying the FIS said today that the government is planning silly game with the numbers. How does he find these differences in number? Repeating herself, the MP then said they had already been going through the same question over and over again at the previous PMQs and said, if you ask again, I will give you the same answer again, to loud the cheers from his backbenchers. To be honest, at this point, I'm sure the Prime Minister is just controlling himself, because it's so annoying. You ask the same question. You are asking the same question again. And he said that if you keep asking me the same question, I'll still repeat the same answer over and over again. But this Kemi is prepared. She's ready. She is ready. This is real politics. It went further saying, objecting, Badenoch pointed out, being patronizing is not the same as answering the question. When Badenoch suggested Starmer had listened to her advice on using international aid money for defense, he said, I am going to have it let the leader of the opposition down gentle. She did not feature in my thinking at all. I was so busy over the weekend, I did not even see her proposal. She has appointed herself, I think, savior of the Western civilization in a desperate search for relevancy. See, I think, honestly, Kemi needs to chill. I know this is politics, but this politics, I don't know. So there's this UK blog I saw. You guys need to see the way immigrants are tackling that woman. Some persons were telling her that you're not from the UK, go back to Nigeria. Like, see the tackling. I think Kemi is a very, very strong woman, honestly speaking. She's really prepared for this job, because this is big time job. But it's so sad that she said she advised Starmer, only for Starmer to come here to say over the weekend he was so busy that he didn't even see her proposal. I don't know if at this point it's making her look like a liar. You said you advised and he listened to the advice, but Oga said he said he did not even see the proposal because he was busy over the weekend. In fact, they are coming for each other. Two of them are coming back to back for each other, and it's just so sad that I feel like they're kind of using Kemi, but then I think Kemi wants to be used. That's how I see it. She wants it. She wants the spotlight. So this challenge is not ending now at all, to be honest. And it's just so sad that her parents used to be an immigrant. Anyways, a lot is happening. I just feel they need to share the part that is trending, which is the clash between Kemi and the Prime Minister. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I'm one of those persons that are not happy with Kemi's plans for immigrants. So yes, I'm going to share it. So I don't know what's going to happen. She's not yet the Prime Minister, and hopefully she will not be, because if she becomes the Prime Minister, I feel like immigrants are going to struggle. Immigrants will suffer. I don't think she's seen the other side of us, how we work hard and what we're getting in return, to be honest. As immigrants, I feel we're working hard and we deserve better, just like every other person, to be honest. You work hard to become a citizen is problem. To get benefit is problem. Me, I'm not fighting for benefit because I'm not even getting any single benefit. I'm not bothered with benefit. In fact, I feel like most immigrants, anyway, let me not speak for others. Anyway, I just feel like we have worked hard and we deserve better. So yes, in the next election, I'm definitely going out to vote, because in this UK, single votes count. It's not like other countries where you struggle, vote, and at the end of the day, whoever they want the person to be the president will be the president. In this UK, your votes count. So definitely I'm going to cast vote in the next election, to be honest. The citizens are beginning to see that Kemi is doing too much, because some persons too were like, this, you know, this her plan is too tough. Like, it's too, I don't even know the correct English to use. It's not nice. So anyways, that is it for today's video. I just feel the need to share this before I go for a school run. Feel free to leave me your own opinion on the comment section, and do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave me a comment on any type of video you'd like me to make, and I'll try my best, make research and get back to you guys. I'll see you guys in my next post. Bye guys.